It's really fun.
The last time I saw you live was at the Brits. Can we talk about the Stormzy performance?
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Thank you.
How did that come about? Did you speak to Stormzy? Did he speak to you?
I was kind of worried that playing Castle on the Hill and Shape of You would be a bit played out by now because it's kind of been everywhere. And in my mind, I always wanted Stormzy to do a version. And then he asked me if I was playing the Brits, and I said, I don't know yet. Are you? And he was like, I don't know yet either. And then I was like, I reckon we can both get a slot if we both just like team up and say, here's the thing. So basically, we made the tune, mixed and recorded it, sent it to the Brits. They were like, yeah, and yeah, then it happened. But it was the most amazing reaction on the night. I've never felt that much energy.
It was incredible. I actually got a little bit emotional
because all shows are dead. Like they're always like the crowd. You just kind of sit there and watch it. And I noticed as soon as he came on stage, everyone just sort of stood up, and it was pretty good.
I'm Ed Sheeran, and I'm going to be playing some songs today. This is the first song